China is literally building killer robots in real time. Humanoid fighters, robot wolves with rifles on their backs, and AI systems that can track submarines across oceans. And this isn't just about cool tech tricks. These robots are being designed for industry, security, and even military power. Yes, China is trying to achieve battlefield dominance by building robots that fight, intimidate, and give them an edge over human armies. So, let's get into the details. 1. Unitree G1. The Unitree G1 isn't just about showing off martial arts. It's built with flexibility and movement skills that actually go beyond what most humans can do. With 23 to 43 special joint motors, this robot has a wider range of motion than even professional athletes, making it super agile and tough to beat. It doesn't just run on strict coding either. The G1 uses imitation learning and reinforcement learning, which means it can copy actions, practice them, and get better over time, almost like training itself. One of its most impressive parts is the dexterous hand system. Using a mix of force and position control, the G1 can grab things with amazing care and accuracy. It can hold delicate objects without breaking them, or use tools with precision, moving almost exactly like a human hand would. But Unitree didn't stop there. They've also created something called the Unitree Robot Unified Large Model, or UNIFO-LM. Think of it like a shared brain for robots, an AI system that helps them learn faster, share knowledge, and take on more advanced tasks together. All of this shows that the G1 isn't just a cool demo robot. It's an early look at a future where AI-powered machines keep upgrading and evolving every single day. If you thought the G1 was shocking, wait until you hear about the next one. A humanoid robot that doesn't walk like a robot at all. 2. Bumblebee Kepler Robotics. A company based in Shanghai has built a humanoid robot known as the Bumblebee, or K2 model. What makes it stand out is the way it walks. Most humanoid robots, even the famous Atlas from Boston Dynamics, bend their knees slightly with each step, which gives them that stiff and mechanical look. Bumblebee is different. It's the first humanoid robot designed to walk with straight knees, just like humans. This makes its movement more natural, smoother, and far more energy efficient. At the World AI Conference in Shanghai, Bumblebee amazed the audience by walking steadily across rubble and uneven ground. While many robots shake or stumble on tricky surfaces, this machine kept going as if it was on a flat road. With more than 80 sensors built into its body, it can detect changes in the environment, adjust to slips or pushes, and maintain its balance in real time. Bumblebee is not just a demo model either. Standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing 75 kilograms, it has 52 degrees of freedom, which allows its body to move with flexibility and fluid motion. To prove its endurance, Kepler live-streamed the robot working for 8 hours straight without stopping. For industries such as logistics and manufacturing, it is promoted as a tireless new worker that doesn't get exhausted or distracted, but the same features that make it perfect for factories: endurance, balance, and lifelike movement. Here's where it gets even scarier. Some of China's robots aren't just built for industry or research. They're marching alongside weapons of war. 3. Robot Wolves China is no longer just testing robots. It is actually training them for war. In a recent military exercise, 2 motorized infantry companies from the PLA's 76th Group Army used unmanned robot wolves and drones in live battlefield drills. The training included precision strikes, reconnaissance missions, and coordinated breakthroughs. Footage shown on CCTV revealed soldiers carrying QBZ-191 rifles and rocket launchers, moving in formation while 4-legged robot wolves marched right beside them. Some of these robots even had rifles mounted on their backs. These machines are not just for show. They can walk, climb, and move at the same pace as human troops, creating a realistic combat environment. During the drills, FPV drones operated by soldiers in camouflage added another level of power. These drones scouted the area and even performed mock suicide attacks to support the advancing robot wolves. The robot wolves were first revealed at Airshow China 2024. Built by China South Industries Group, each weighs about 70 kilograms. They are designed for many uses, including armed assault, surveillance, transportation, and supply support. With their strong mobility, they can handle complex terrains like urban streets, mountains, and plateaus. Military experts believe their impact is not only physical, but also psychological. Facing relentless, machine-driven fighters could scare and exhaust enemy soldiers, breaking their morale faster than traditional combat. This is no longer science fiction. With machines and humans fighting side by side, China is changing how wars might be fought in the future. 4. UBTECH Walker S2. China's UBTECH Walker S2 is not just a humanoid robot. It's a machine built to work non-stop. This robot can literally swap its own battery, meaning it never has to shut down. Designed for factories, it can operate 24/7 without human help, lifting, moving, and carrying out tasks with an endurance no human soldier could match. Imagine an army support unit that never sleeps, never complains, and can keep going day and night on the battlefield. UBTECH is a Shenzhen-based company, and its work has already attracted global attention because it shows how far Chinese robotics have come. While it's not officially armed, the technology behind Walker S2, balance, autonomy, and constant operation, is exactly what military planners dream of when imagining robotic soldiers. A humanoid that can move like us, work tirelessly, and adapt to changing conditions is the foundation for a future combat unit. And this isn't science fiction, it's real hardware moving in China right now. But UBTECH's Walker S2 is just one piece of the puzzle. China is also testing machines built for speed and stamina. And that leads us to a robot that can run like a human, the Tien Kung Ultra. 5. Tien Kung Ultra. China's Tien Kung Ultra humanoid robot has already made headlines by completing a half marathon. Over 21 kilometers of non-stop running. That's a challenge even many human soldiers would struggle with. Developed by Chinese robotics research teams in Beijing, the robot was designed to showcase endurance and mobility, proving it can handle long missions across rough terrain. Military analysts in China have already noted how useful such a machine could be in war. Imagine a robot soldier that can march tirelessly through mountains, rubble, or ruined cities, carrying supplies or scouting without rest. Its balanced, bipedal design allows it to climb stairs, step over obstacles, and move in places where wheeled or tracked vehicles fail. It's clear why the idea excites defense experts. A robot with this kind of stamina could reshape how armies move and fight. If it can already complete marathons, adapting it to carry heavy gear, weapons, or rescue equipment may only be a matter of time. So what do you think? Are China's robots a big step forward for technology? Or are we getting too close to creating real-life Terminators? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of AI and robotics.